In this video, I'm going to show you how to create mind maps with Draw.io. Now you have two options, the easiest one and a bit more of a long one. So if you actually want to go the easy route, you can go ahead and just click on the Arrange tab up top, hover over Insert, and then go down, click on Template, and in here inside Search, type in Mind Map and press Enter. And here you can see two different mind maps. You can go ahead and click on any of these, click on Insert, and they're going to get inserted into your document over here. You can then go ahead and customize everything, customize the text, and make it your own mind map. So that's the first way. However, there's also a longer way. So the way you can do this is basically just use these shapes over here. So inside the General tab, and maybe even inside the Entity Relation, stuff like that, you can go ahead and use these and create your own mind maps, and you can just basically add in different objects like that. And then let's say this one is the central one, you can go ahead and just connect it using these arrows, etc. So you can do a lot of things in here. It's fully customizable. It's up to you what you want to do. I just wanted to show you both the ways. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.